Uboroso bw'umugusi.
Chinsa nisato ubutko bwarero bwa Jumanne mwancho muligereria na gusogere andonsia sogoto bwatia korwa nagasemera kwana nakobere ko gutwara ubuligereria buro buyakegima nabo igokwegokeriya emeroberio yegetaseni yensoko. Karibu sana tosange imeyamaya yensoko TV Elia Nenkerubo Frida na balito kubwatira na soko enekebuna chibi channel yogi lya kuikira sole asenchira ya bene na Barnabas Sondari Misef na baigo Brian Achaka tiango traenyora asenchira yoko ya chuta.
Still others out there who probably don't want to come because of various reasons. So the idea that the chiefs come in, I think, is good. I've seen it in the past elsewhere where I've worked.
Serikali gochika bagambi n'abatuleti korotota borokigwa ba grade 10.
Tunahimiza ushirikiano uliowekwa na aliyekuwa kiongozi wa jamii ya Kijaluo Raila Odinga na rais wa sasa William Ruto, hasa katika mpango mzima wa broad base, kwa sababu tumeona matunda yake na tunatumaini kwamba
igati y'abasaye ku Nyanza kuboli ODM kubwatirana na UDA.
I thank our sponsors. I thank them a lot for enabling me to pursue this course.
Aboro kigwa gwetania chimisa to kubekirwe gutwa Kenyanya. Abakagerwa batano noyomo egati ya batano na babere abo bakabera bakora imirimo be county ya Homa Bay abo babwateranire no bukurumi bw'ekibesa gwetania chi million chimisatu nigo litkolia rero baikigwa busibwe kegambiro gya Kisi imeyomochie obosongo kolengana no muna chebi no manene Ada Mildred Obura nigo ayenikiribuna abo nigo baraigorerwe ase ogwakana cash bail ye chi million 5 ose ebondi isaine chi million 30 kera oyomo mulikito Pethel Machini na robotiorwe
Magega yokubekwa byara nikyombi yokurwanira bokurumigiye EACC abakagero batano no yamigati abatano na babiri abakabira bakuri meremase serikali ya county ya Mabiasa mu mache bokurumi bw'ekibesa wetani chi million chimisato
is 336,270,032 from all the accused persons, and I don't know if I can provide a copy of the claim, which is a court document as filed by the Sorry Record. Secondly, also to bring a brief context, out of that money, Your Honor, there is 13,511,262, which is held
and enterprises. Eyo ere eyabakagero James Yuka no murugyo ya Polino Duer abo bakabira bakora imirimo be county yo.
Unless a person who is arrested or charged with any offense shall be granted bail unless the court is satisfied that that person A has previously been granted bail and has failed to surrender to the custody, and that if released on bail, whether or not subject to conditions, it is likely that they would fail to surrender to custody.
Bosio bo munachebi no manene Ada Mildred Obura niganikire kuboria kwa abataniri be abisya ODPP bunabakirwa bo bayubwa ni korengana na mocha yobo.
I am further guided by Article 49(1) of the Constitution of Kenya, which expressly provides that an arrested person has the right to be released on bail or bond on reasonable conditions, pending a charge or trial unless there are compelling reasons not to be so released. Section 123A of the CPC guides the court on the circumstances to be considered where the right to bail or bond is in consideration, and they include the nature or the seriousness of the offense, the character, associations, the community of the accused persons, the accused person's records in respect of fulfillment of obligations under previous bail, and the strength of the evidence of his having committed the offense. However, the court appreciates the seriousness of the offense, which I say is very serious, and also noting that the matter involves public funds. Whether or not the actual amount is stated on the charge sheet, or whether or not there is evidence to support the charge, is not a matter for determination at this juncture.
Sokuna chakwae nigo mwanachebi na Milde Dobura anachiribu nabo kagirabo nigo barayigorre ase cash beri milioni 5 ose bond ya milioni 30 kero yomo.
So bearing the above in mind, I hereby direct that the accused person shall be released on bond of Kenya shillings 30 million or a cash bail of Kenya shillings 5 million shillings for each accused person. 30 million plus one surety of the said amount, or a cash bail of 5 million shillings for each accused person. I took into account the circumstances of the fourth and the fifth accused persons, and my directions are that the fifth accused person will be released on a personal bond of Kenya shillings 5 million plus two sureties of the said amount.
Ripotiria Ensoko TV kurasika mberugia Kisi Nchepethuel Machin.
Ekiombe gia ASK orosagia rwa Kisi nigo giakora umusangirikano abo ase komiti bakarigania amorokererio y'oburimi y'omwaka oyiga bachorwa babeke emeroberio ange nigo basabwa gukora emirimo yabo ase obwango n'omukia erio kwene kiabo na amorokererio y'oburimi y'omwaka oyiga ngo baramaya wetania emiaka ya magega Mulikito Weekly Forenge na ikirana chinsemecho nabo igo gotwariganirio roboti rukubwatia
Una enchire yemo yokuyaregane burunge busibwa morokererio y'oburimi ayoka bomutinyo gatana kaberekero omwaka yumya magacha SK orosegero Kisi bono nigo boteneribwa SK Kisi bwakorire obachori bwabana kamiti abarachikwaregania emeroberio yo
asa Marieta Nkefunduso oyore chairman yesho yetu ya Kisi ekoro kwa Southern Kenya branch ntagete ko irali bageri gali abene ko batebinga esho yaito nenyale ko bagokorekana umutinyo usaba ase umuchoito okisi ituko lya lero buna muroche toraiga twanyalire ko batogozindwa ege kosi gose committee eliego chikoba ekoligereria chinsemo ao asinge njo gukora okwarigania gwesho yaito ego chakoba go chakera chitari kikianda paka 12 umutinyo usaba omwaka oyo
bakoragwa na Kefonduso oyoro munyakerogo asorosegerwa Kisi nigo babekire bene buna emerobero yonsi yabekirwe erekwaneke buna amorokerera yongo kya kababuna botambe
tubwatane asobomo elinde esho yaite wenere buya kabisa kubwa chisho chinde chonsi echire cyanyalire ko bakigokorwa ase myaka yaelire igo lero iga asomwaka oyo buna tugokwana igo tole omwaka ostini kuru esho yaito ya Kisi ya chagete
nande ne timu ere emanyete gasi timu ere tayari okobanga emeroberi esho unegwenerete emeroberi bago chikobanga nelianga ensemo yoboremi mbabeke ebinto asogwetere bibanda wao abalemi baranyara gosoma ngangaki bako kinia oboremi bwabo banyore konyora endagere isaine naende bakoro oboremi enchera yebiasara
abalemi bono nigo basabire bese emiaso bonge igoro y'oboremi elinde kwera uchumi ya Kenya bosio
amagendera maya igo esho yo mwaka oyo nenyare ko bengi ya mono ige kosi eke giasomigu kianyarire kobanga nkebwate ebirengererie bia asingencho yokoligia exhibitors bali babwate knowledge igoro yelire lyaito asing'encho yering'ana linene likoro kunga climate smart agriculture eyuere kerenge kenene kyomwaka oyo
kubanga goche show tonya kubanga tochiche tosome amang'ana ara maya aratokonya samagima ito
no mudirector w'oburimi imi county ya Kisii nigasingirira buna oburimi nabwo egetekyo mugongo imi ensi ya Kenya abwo asabasabire bali baegwa libaga lyokuwaregania amorokereria yo okore mirimo yabo asobwasyoku nomokia
etimu ero neria yakorire gasi eye bwate ujuzi yegasi na ndabo igo engaki yabono ntotumie chinchera chiria chia kisasa chokora ng'esho egocha kobororo nesho erengiya mono kobwa chisho chinde chionsi chiakorirwa bwase miaka ya magega korwa esho entang'ani yakoretwa iga Kisii omwaka wa 65 igo etimu eye twanyeganeirie amaya nandi twanyesabeire ekore egasi unegwenerete
bono nigo yatigere asabali bairwe mirimo yokobegatia abaregania bamorokereria y'oburimi kweneke buna amorokereria mwaka oyo igana abamaya gwetania aye myaka ya magega inko reporteria Ensoko TV kurwaso bugatagati bw'omuchi obosongo county ya Kisii erietariane Wycliffe Orenge.
Oskabosio asoro batronde amateyemo korwase kenyorogia kura ya Bosamaro sublocation ya Bigege nsemo yebunge ya West Mugrange county ya Nyamira nige kuriyo bokonyi bugosiro ne school fees yo mwana obo yo chinga kyabwenete goikasi skuru y'abanyaruka ya Nyabururu chikoera ataraikaro gwetera bunatiba bwati maigana mutwe yo konyora chibesa yamateye yasangire n'Ensoko TV nigo bagosaba abarai nabo igo bali no moyo bwogwanja gwesokia nabo igo gusira umwana oyo abekago ikirania endoto yayo ko bumunyagitari wa mangana yo bongo guse umutwe nagotomenya umurikito Vincent Monda.
Mama Elizabeth Nyang'ate Nyoka amono mwana oyo kurukwa Frida Nyaboke nigo batarire no kogoro ang'echi kilomita 5 kurwe kenyoro kya kura egotoka Bosamaro bakagoika sama gacho yechabise au che serikali imeyo mocho Nyamira elio gosemba nyoro bokonyi bonde gosomo nyaruka Nyaboke nagende skuru y'abanyaruka ya Nyabururu. Elizabeth oyoro muboraka nigagoteba otemire koliga chibesa chinsemo chonsi gosomo mwana oyo nagende skuru korendo ikirensinyo
twarigirio obokonyi endo mwana yanyare gokonywa twarigirio abasari n'abairi lakini ntoranyoro yo gotokonya na tato mwabasire twaye kubwatera nere biye egaikera gantiga igo naone tikirege ndongakora bono timbwati asengurusi no mwana skuru arangeiri ne yechibese echonta bwati na bana bande nimbwate tayere bweka mbwate nimbwate abana bande nibabwete skuru na barabungo barigeria ndeti ndanyora
asama temwali aeta akichisea ye grade kia kianda Nyaboke niganyora chipointi 67 asichiria 72 echicha morangelia na kumubwatera libaga se skuru y'abanyaruka ya Nyabururu korengana neri ukelio ya morangelia Nyaboke nigaga niri goike skuru eyo gochakera chitariki 12 goika chitariki 15 nemo chomutinyo yega egentobo igo getaraikirana
lakini bono mamata bwati besa gocha kongera skuru eyo twataire kurunka korukura mpaka gege na maguru korigionde bwensi oratokonye erinde nyara kwende skuru lakini nturanyoronde no nyamache nturanyo chari getoriete abasani bane ba hospital samete na barabwe skuru bachire skuru ninche bweka na tigaire isko nche ntigarete isko
ngina moke Nyaboke nigagoteba no mwana bwe chimbwa chingia nabo igo bwanje tesemi kagokina
nancha samaria tankurukurut mokeira oyomo bobe amate family efamilia na berengo nyemanya ne familia rense okonyora kwa bongoli buya omwana oyo na twakire twabere togokina nere gocha no mwana obwateta biengia ano mwana werweta se ogosoma na intune yamate twatemire hase twatemire kogora na biri bikabita kere bya skuru lakini konyara gwa itongora ikere paka toikere asensemo ye school fees.
Ngwetera obulemerwa bw'ebitoki ebyo byarorekanire kogera endoto ya Nyaboke koba omunyagitari egocha gusira yamate yonsi bono nige kubolia gusirwa na getoro kende yonsi na kebegeke nabo bakoiraneria buya
twari ko gusaba onde bwense bwato kugania abwate familia ino ene asema ye school fees na one asema na one asege korut
nasabire omwe musio ito Charles Keganda endo nyare kondolera mabera ongirero omwana oyo elindanyare osoma achegwe konya omwe mpito Steve Mogaka to base wontiga gaki na gosoroire ndolera mabera no kolera abande mo women lab Jerusa mumanyi ni matenga to gontiga ndolera aya mabera gabano morai nyaribo tago ntiga ndolera mabera ende nanche nalinda atwaro bolemu
Wana togo saba onda bwensi watokani okuya gaki atokonye erinde ngende skuru mbe neurosurgeon ekinaga netio ndoto yane ko be neurosurgeon tindo chose ningende skuru korumega na be nkingo somero bakongu lakini na nyara gweta lakini bono timbo atingenche ndenda ngenderia masomane konde bwensi arairu ankonye ninkoro mokiasi skuru tingo mwaibisha erinda se obogima bogo chena inchenche nyara ko bo monto mana so bogimo onda bwense bwatokugania kuyaga aki atokonye
omogusi agoteba eyekwana nere koewa inche Vincent Monda Imeyen Soko TV.
Angela Mungina umoroki wa grade 10 korwa ase kenyoro kiario nsune ward ya Nyansiongo nsemo yebunge ya Burawimi county ya Nyamira uyo menyete no botakobo nene ase amateaye emenyete ase nyumba sibalikire buna bakori emirimo ba mugondo nigo bono asirirwe amaiga yo moske Walter Chanua uyo kurigekero kyobugavana abetega kwimukige tambukiro yo komoira na guchego komosomya busa ase myaka yaye yonsi arasome ase skuru yabaisike ya Sironga amega yo moroki woyo gotara na magoro korwari onsune Nyansiongo oika skuru yabaisike ya Sironga emeyo muche Onyamira Morikito Steven Nyarikie Mbunde na irachinga kichiaye na gutwariganiria oroboti oruo
Mega yogotara chikilomita chinyinge korwase kenyoro kiario nsune ward ya Nyansiongo uikase skuru ya baiseke ya Sironga erio kwerigeria ribaga bene omoroki wo grade 10 asamarieta Angela Mungina nigo bono anyoru mwese mega yoyokorigie kero kyobogavana Nyamira omuske Walter Chanua wesokya na kwerwa gocha gosomio omoroki wo yu ase senior secondary ase haramo somi bosa gwikogokora kwaye
kamete tanguru kwa Angela Mungina na korete grade 9 kuru school kuriensune nganyora 60 points asinju mamengi nyagitali na lingi konyara kwenda school ngaimuka nchipika ngenda nama kurumbaka baka Sironga nganyora a principal na umuntu ringoro ringi aga nkwanira aga ngefe akandengira neka bagachamambia mpaka anga bagangwana bagantei ngo bache umheshimiwa Walter Chanua na chachangonya hono njengo higento ndatebe nogote umheshimiwa Santi Nyasaye museseni
Nchenkoro ku Beatrice Barongo Roko Assistant Chief Nyansiongo Stroke Gesima Riensune Village Riasagini omwana oyo akoro ku Angela aro mwana we single mother ekoro ku Elizabeth Nyangao Elizabeth ne resident area ya Nyamira County ya Borabu Sub County Nyansiongo location Nyansiongo sub location omenyira kurwa bana barenga bake. I've never seen a man in her life lakini omenyire na bana banaende no agwake kuraga ari ensune
wetera se jeni ya nomba kalio monto kumuri bugavana Walter Chanua karwa kwa na Chanua ganja gosomia mwana oyu koru grade 10 mpaka grade 12 wetani go mogwaka umheshimiwa Chanua na akorero mwana oyo shopping nyingi ya sana Ero mokona shopping yos pia skuru.
Asetaro Yansoko TV goikase familia yu ase kenyoro kia Rionsune. Nige familia yamenyete no borobo nene. Asega bamenyete ngina no mwana oyu nigo barikire muna bakori emirimo ba mugondo. Egento kiagerere batari konyara one konyore school fees yo konyara kumwakanira umwana oyu Angela Mungina.
Ona tuetire mechano ku mama tusomina rubiko tusomi ku twinge bakaboni gaso ne akernenge grade 9 ai tai gukorwa rwate naso te grade 9 ne tichori kunga kanire fike nari gukorera matemo
ku Elizabeth Nyamuita Nyang'au kwera bonzali anaitire gosoke ibaru alindi na baskasuke ucha ale na menyete matali erenti gansinya uyu agachaga nkonya chaka komenya na menyiriga chikonda menyerete.
Wala sinjo mheshimiwa wangu ngonya kwenda ndi school. I will work hard and I will attain my dream.
Ngina Angela Mungina ni gara segesero nigo hatabwati njirende yonsi harasokerio kwerigeria ngeri egento hakwanire mono hasumuske worta chanua hasukumusira yokumusira omwana oyu koso ase school yabaisike ya Sironga
sechanwa amwakire mbie mona sango nkonyera umwana
Orin Nyaboke oyu hore omwana honde omonene bo mungino oyu niga kweranga maiga yokora 2024 na konyore grade kia kyogosoa as a college nigo nera taraswa ase korinda mwiraniri moske worta chanua na mbia mono.
Nakushukuru mheshimiwa kwa kusaidia sister yangu kwenda shule Walter Chanua. Kwa kusaidia sister yangu kwenda shule. Na mimi ningekusi wewe na msamaria yoyote mwenye angenisaidia kupata na mimi kwenda shule.
Gakwenekia yaiga umugambi omoke ase esabrocation ya Rionsune gesima Samarita Beatrice Oroko igagenderere kumwakera moske Walter Chanua mbia mono so kwendera kumurekera bikore munebiga
Nkundi Chanua akabanere well wisher ritkolia rero. I'm very glad uchira mwano yagende school.
Steven Nyarike mune Ensoko TV Rionsune borabu county ya Nyamira.
Aboroki abanene bechi skuru che secondary kurase county ya Nyamira na baigo Kisi nigo bagokere getambukiro ye serikali yukubachika abagambi kubwaterana n'abatureti eriko baroto taboroki ba grade 10 kurwa ase chinga cyabe kyagera abagambi nabo bamanyete abamenyi bamenyete ase binyoro byabo korengana na Ivan Soeri oyoro morokyo monene we skuru yagekano nigagokere getambukiro ikyo yukubatumika abagambi maiga y'abagambi kubakonya kubarigia aboroki wabo konyora basirire asoko ya edhahabu chinsemo chiakoria e county ya Migori abaigo moroki goyo mu class ge 12 oyokonyora otigira masomo kubwatikana neliuma na liegenka na kumuira ni skuru abwasomoroki goyo ayetabuya asamatemwa a KCSE yo mwaka bwechiri bubere 2025 mulikito Julia Obuba na mange
Ogochika gwa serikali kubuseni abaorokigwa bataragenda grade 10 goikabono nigo kiagokeirwe egatia abaorokire gosira kwabo wasenganeye na abaoroki abanene kurachi skuru au chichi secondary korwe county ya Nyamira.
The provincial administration, what we used to call the provincial administration or the chiefs, can really help us. I'm told there's still others out there who probably don't want to come because of various reasons. So the idea that the chiefs come in, I think, is good. I've seen it in the past elsewhere where I've worked. We had boys who went to mine, this gold mine around Kurialand. And the chiefs assisted us to bring these boys back to school. Even last time again, when I came here, I saw a case of a boy that had dropped somewhere in second term because of family issues, domestic problems. Actually, the chief assisted that boy to come back and even did his exams, and he got a very strong C+. So I'm confident if they do that, it can assist us get these students that are hiding out there like as we are expecting around 500 plus in terms of population. But so far we have, by last week we had 252. And I can see today a number of them are coming. Some called and said they're coming this week. So probably by the end of this week, I expect will be over 400.
Renayo ni gobo igo abaorokia bakwanire sababu au cheirire ensemo ya abaorokia gutanyara goswa grade 10 nonya nabo basemire abayibori nabo igo abareri babo chinchira au baranyoro bokonyi bo gosomia abana babo.
Of it as teachers because there are children who have the heart of joining high school, but because of financial constraints they cannot be able to make it to high school. Through the assistance of the chief, not only going to see where the children are, they also know they can advise these parents and children that there are bursaries from CDF and other government agencies where a child can go to join high school and then later fill a bursary form and the child is assisted.
Nonya nabo chiskuru chinde imeye county ya Nyamira nigo chiarurekanire goikirania ekerengo kia baorokigwa korengana no gochika we serikali.
We still continue to receive more learners, and from the look of things it's like we are heading towards the 900 mark, which we had been captured by the government. Concerning the directive that the government had given regarding the involvement of the local administration, especially the chiefs, to ensure that any grade 10 learner who was still at home, we thank the government for that directive. But concerning our school, that one had already been put in place.
Julia Obuba, Nsoko TV.
Abasaye kurwa Sorogongo rwa Nyanza inseye kiumbe kiabo kia Ramogi Young Professionals nigo besokire na kurukubulia gucyase gatia baraibe kia magia ODM abo bakogikira okubwaterania egati ya ODM na boigo UDA okwana kurwa somo chyo Nairobi abasaye abo nigo batebire buna eyone renchereyemo yokoenekia ense ya Kenya ngonyorere amagendero Murikeito Linet Nyambane no roboti rwa Sinchira yobwagale.
Abasaye bekyumbe kya Ramogi Young Professionals nigo baruru kubure gochia ase abaraibe kya magia ODM kubwaterana ne serikali ya Kenya Kwanza naryo serikali eraikirani amaganio yabegetese na Nyagusira Raila Odinga ayamenyekanete buna 10 points agenda.
Tunahimiza ushirikiano uliowekwa na aliyekuwa kiongozi wa jamii ya Kijaluo Raila Odinga na rais wa sasa William Ruto, hasa katika mpango mzima wa broad based, kwa sababu tumeona matunda yake na tunatumaini kwamba uhusiano huu ukiendelea, basi huenda tukashikana pamoja, tukashirikiana pamoja na kupata maendeleo kama maeneo mengine.
Endapo kuna yeyote ambaye anataka kuvuruga zile 10 point agenda ambazo ziliwekwa sahihi kati ya ODM na UDA, haitakuwa vyema sana kwa Wakenya kwa jumla, kwa sababu kila Mkenya anataka kuona kwamba wale ambao waliathirika wakati wa ghasia za baada za uchaguzi, wale ambao kwa bahati mbaya walikufa wamefidiwa.
Politics must ultimately serve the nation, not factional interest or personal ambition. And that's why we are here to call on ODM to reorganize its house so that they go as a united party.
Gukwana imeumucho Nairobi asomo bagani oyomo abasayabo nigo batebiruna chingaki chinyinge nigo babeire bakwebwa asamangana siasa asabatebiruna chingaki cheikire babwanerete kubwateraniwa aseboigo bakwanere obuyabwe bya magochamo eriko yarigania asobochori bu mwaka bwechirubere 2025.
Tunataka kuhusika katika siasa za Kenya katika kiwango cha utaalamu, na tumejua kwamba kuna mazungumzo ambayo vyama vitakuja pamoja, pengine vyama vya ODM na UDA vikuje pamoja zishirikiane. tunahimiza vyama hivi viwili kwamba umoja wa vyama ndio itasaidia katika mazungumzo ya kutengeneza miungano ya kisiasa tunapoelekea mwaka 2027.
Sasa tuko katika ukombozi wa maendeleo na uchumi. Kwa hivyo ile ambayo tungependa kuhimiza kwa watu wetu ni kuwa tuwe na ule umoja wa kusudi, unity of purpose. Tuweze kushikana na tusijaribu kutenganishwa kwa vyovyote.
Ayo ni gachire chingaki kiama kia ODM kigendete gwetera omorindo.
Aanze mazungumzo rasmi. Hatutaki kuingia 2027 wakati hatujielewi.
Hii chama iko na maneno mengi. Kwenye hii safari sisi tulikuwa abiria na baba alikuwa dereva ya basi hili. Na kuna siku moja tuliamka na tukashtuka. Dereva amekufa. Aliaga dunia. Kidogo kidogo wale walikuwa na keti mbele wamekimbia kwenye steering wheel. Kila mtu anavuruta pande hii, mtu mwingine pande hii, pande hii, pande hii.
Asabano baro kuboria gocha asabaraibe kiamekyo kugayana omochando yo.
But we believe collectively that within the ODM party, and I've said we encourage unity, discipline, and strategic coherence in order to strengthen its position for negotiation. That is something that we encourage. But because we also live in a democracy, we believe that those issues will be sorted in due course within party structures. So we don't want to go into the details of how that will happen. But our advice is that as united party, strengthened party, a consolidated party stands a chance to negotiate with any other like-minded in a manner that they see fit only when they're united and stronger together.
So politics will be there. Many parties, even here, parties are represented. There are people who belong to different political parties. But that is not our focus. Our focus is in the development agenda of the Luo Nation and how we can maintain that focus without the politics of 2027 swaying that focus to other things.
Kuripoteria Ensoko TV, iretaria ne Lenet Nyambane.
Omorai wense Dr. William Ruto litko liareroni go aumirana na kubwatoka babalozi bense ya Kenya uchia ase chinse chesko okwana ime nyomba yoborai wense asege ikare kyo gyakorekana nige serikali nene ya Kenya egochikobwaterana na babalozi abo elekorenta magendero asense na boigokwane kinse ya Kenya yasukire guchia ase ebirengo beigoro. Nsi ya Kenya nigebwate bitoki bisaine anene mono ebango yego konya ase amagendero muri kicho Debora Kerubo no roboti urwo.
Omorai bwense William Ruto ritukuria rero ni gaumirana na kubwatuka babalozi bense ya Kenya guchia se chinse cheisiko ukwana ime nyumba yoborai bwense asege karikia korekana nigo serikali nene ya Kenya igoche kubwatirana na babalozi abo irikorenta magendera sense nabo igokwene kinse ya Kenya yasukire guchia se birengo beigoro.
You are aware there is already a national discourse on where we want Kenya to be, because we believe there is greater potential for our country in many respects, that Kenya should not be in the place where we are. We deserve a better place. We belong to a better place. And we will be working collectively, those of us serving within the Republic and those of us serving outside Kenya, towards a common goal of elevating the status of our country to a first world country. I believe, and I am convicted, that it is a possibility that is achievable.
Ababalozi abo nigo baboli wakobekomokia asemiremo yabo kirabare chinse chesiko nabo igo kwene kyo kubaterano kuya gwense ya Kenya ne chinse chinde.
It is a solemn calling that demands discipline, judgment, and fidelity, especially to the national interest of Kenya. As it is expected that with great privilege comes great responsibility. You will be Kenya's representatives in different capitals around the world, and you are expected to steadfastly safeguard our national interest and also foster strong, mutually beneficial relations with friendly nations in pursuit of our foreign exchange, relations objectives.
Ense ya Kenya nigegwate bitoki bisaine anene mono ebangegie gokonya samagenderero tinga kibono chibesa chikagere gochie gosangererwa kurwa sobonchereria chire bilioni 120 echo chigo chigokonya semerobero ya magenderero.
We can leverage what we have today in terms of the taxes we collect, the assets that we have, the natural resources that are available within the borders of our country, to raise the requisite resources for us to drive our development in a very consequential manner. Yesterday, we began the first step when we went to the capital markets to raise almost 120 billion Kenya shillings using the Kenya Pipeline IPO. In the next month or so, we will have raised that money, and its application, as I have clearly stated, will be solely for the development of infrastructure.
Deborah Kirubo, Ensoko TV.
Aboro kigwa abanyaruka gwetania chimi sato kurwa chi county sano nemo nigoli tkolia rero babikiro gutwa aimeye skuru yo bobundi ya Kenya asensemo yebunge yabo machoge borabu morobero yo aliganetwe neri shirika limanyikaine buna STEP bose STEM Education for Empowerment Project nigoba eneke buna ekirenga kiabo negiyoko eneke buna babire bakonyora gusabana abanyaruka babire bagosegetwa ase chikosi anene echamaboko echabange bamanyete buna nigo chigokorwa nagosemigwa nabamura.
This function, it's all about our graduation. We are so happy, actually. Personally, I'm so happy getting to graduate from this institution. And I thank our sponsors. I thank them a lot for enabling me to pursue this course.
I'm happy for this day. Girls who are out there, girls can do it. This course is good.
My name is Dennis Mushiri. I work for CAP Youth Empowerment Institute. CAP Youth Empowerment Institute is an NGO in the TVET space, and we are the ones who have been running STEM Education for Empowerment project in collaboration with Hamba Polytechnic. This project is geared towards elevating the status of girls, and especially in STEM. STEM is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And we know historically, this STEM is normally seen as male-dominated career. But of course, we want to change that narrative by ensuring that we are leveling the ground for girls to join.
Kwanza kabisa wanafunzi walisomea masomo mbili. Kiingereza walisomea plumbing and pipe fitting. Wakasomea pia electrical wiring and installation. Kati ya hizo masomo mbili, kuna zingine tatu pia walisomea ambayo ilikuwa na backup zile mbili wamesomea. Kwa hii project, STEP project, ambayo ni basic computer, ambayo inapea skills za kutumia computer. Tena wakasomea mambo ya biashara. Jinsi ambayo wakitoka hapa, yule anasomea electrical, anasafungua workshop yake ogosoka kwa abana baita abaisike bari kugraduate rituko ria rero bari iga bari no mogoko bakorire chintunde isano baganyaine ndero barenge kwegwa graduation card chiabo egera bachake gwikorera egasi yabo.
Wasio bwigikaro kyabamenye be county ya Nyamira mona abo bisa gosomo bisomo nene bo bocheno Mary Muthoni eikendi yiga niga bamenye be county yo basabire besoke ilikorwa ebirengereri byabo igoro ya magendero baganitie serikali enene emulikire kaukwana wetera sinchira yesi myomoske Jeremia Migosi uyo legati y'ababwatani bararente omurubiriyo igatebire buno murobile yo horabense ya inua jamii mashinani iyo hekogenda kira county
Goro kucheremambos ngoro ese county ya Nyamira West Mugirango constituency ega ntonte de gotebya abantu bitu ba Nyamira ntobwateri shirika riribwate abo bisagurwa serikali n'abananchi naweri bisha sigonsi bari bagweta ase Kenya yaito kunyara kurigereri ngaki abananchi bagendererete banyara ko babako bakonye mechanderi baranyara ko babagutwara asa magendero shirike internet member yemo ekoro kuinua jamii mashinani eito bwata babisaba kurwa serikali n'abantu bonte ne shirika yatwara sichusi eyo weta na nebinyoro tunyakuriya sabantu baito bari bacandike tunyakora nkitupa batoko bakonya lituko lia Jumapili eliga kale tariki 25th ntobange togoto mukutano Nyamira na ebintu togoto kuliga Nyamira because Nyamira yitu yatigere magenderero na ndeke rotwa licho cha setime ketu team member tukabarangeli tukaba invite banchire gocha Nyamira batnyari ko bagocha bagotegera amangana anyamira issues chetu chitete sababu ye shirike no kugenda saba na inchi boka banyene banyari ko baba kwengage naba bisaba abandi bari kurwa serikali so tatunya ko rangaki no ne serikali asebintu liwetara akora nyako ba ke ko bakolera igo ntoje totoke gusiri tukolia Jumapili to expected team e patron ye chame ye shirike ye EPS Madam PS Mary Muthoni EPS ya Public Health na then to expect ya ofisa bange kurwa serikali au ba kunyara pagocha ese account ito ya Nyamira ekero to kwanda county chinde okonyora abana inchi bako egulibaga banyara kubudu nona asepara mebierembe nkonyorore nga ekera abana inchi bagutinena konyora abo ofisa bari batinete para no baraso mukutano oli sotate abanga abantu ngote barenye para nagendrete eyuetayo na ngitena kitwaro tenga mbuya sengi Nyamira ito yatigere maiga kemagendero yatobarete Nyamira naintu sotat naintu anto bitu Nyamira banyara konyore opportunity be express ujasio waneteseni ye kurigene ngakitu anyoro obokoreri kurwa serikali both at the county and the national government nyakwa tukengage tokora tunyakwa tugusko kuchimoto sotate anto bitu Nyamira mbana kwa bagutigara mayo egenteke nekili tukeri nabana inchi baterirwelia Sunday ne emechandeli yonsi baroche bili batakere bakwena bichati district kusina serikali elibanyale ko bafire tinga ebinde bisa ko ba improved amaisha abana bakogendera egento koteba bana inchi baito Nyamira spero Nyamira mumanye tenga nonekera bali mu bakoliku ntubantu baito Nyamira mbali koliku ase injo ntubatu bantu baito bakonyara bagutolelera kurwa serikali the same nekera baskali bakoliku Nyamira ito ntubati nono mu CS kusomo PS ige kogeranga ban malaramisha ito ya magendro maybe kuru Nyamira ntuntuli gotoka ase national government kusekera abantu bande bako bageru kendi yeskurwa serikali ige ndonde utaba abantu baito Nyamira kutakera bali mbechae amauwa mbali bali babwato bokongwa mauwa abantu bonse banyariko babagocha tunyari kwengage n'abantu aba tukusanto besekali mpaka karororo sutadi nonekero tokotebunye para yagachiru batu aboli gali nga yagaje to onye sababu nere ntwekera abantu bande buna chipali chichena nducheri gotoka tunyari ko batokwere suninki na tukuru wega tunyari ko nkitura engage kuchimoto wega so tati kera abantu bande bako naroko bako narobo ko nyikura serikali abantu betu Nyamira mbako bagutukumaya
Kubwatikana no kubeku biara ku mujumbe wensemo yebunge ya Kitutu cha South Anthony Kibagendi nigo senator we county ya Nyamira Okongo Mugeni agikiri getambukiro kyabo bisa bekyombe gya DCI kumubeka biara Kibagendi nigatebire iyo nenchere yamo yokomuro bwene bwaye nabarayi bensemo ili kwamerelia serikali tego chiwanjira ebikora bunebyo
ntuna barayi ba county ya Nyamira norongura usi unanjo mo senator Okongo Mugeni bongo ikeria bokongo sana amangana twanyorire no murai oito muchumbo Kitutu cha South mheshimiwa Anthony Kibagendi obwadru n'abaskali nande obamuri meretie simi ntaramenya ngayabe kirese police station bono tawate makolina ngayale na ntawa de serikali umurai uno yomanyire abantu bamanyete acha de serikali yokora ikitendo bine kyo kumubwata na kumusikira na kolimichi simi gotamwali bagade bye familia yani chiro acha ngayale kinege ndo yekwirania democracy itomaga sana lakini tawate yo mheshimiwa William Ruto nagende kenge gotene ni spirit yo mauzi kutaka gutwara serikali yali yo mwananchi ile okorera mwananchi gasi otogotena no mheshimiwa Anthony Kibagendi na andonsi esako irukoti andonsi ako no otorenere wakikisha ngantoro yugwanjira na serikali eso kogikeri na kumyokia abarai bali batali gwanjirana na mangane serikali yo konyanyaso mwana
Mwanche umurigereria goikira gabo nongo ikira omweli obu kumurikira amangana maya asilitko lia rero tumira nelitko lia ankyo astura beto gusanga ringana lie kimoya ne barongo yane Clinton Ondigi naboigo omugaka Edwin Nyangaweria nenkerubo Frida abatogwetera na soko ne kebona chibichanelio giria gukira sole asenchere ya benenere Brian Achaka bakubwetera na Barnabas Sondari naboigo Miss F Tuara obutko borobia kegima.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso bumugusi Onye kubwateri ibolyo obosemia gusekero kende gyonsiguro yemirobili yaitu Yensoko TV twakeresimi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri ukurye email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com Boigo nabugo tutarira service ite gutuka samagacho hazina towers egoroba ya gatanu narimo asumucyo munene Nairobi Ensoko TV Oboroso w'umugusi